Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 26 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit every single month. Now, we are currently at 4,504 listing views. Let's go ahead and check our orders. I believe we had 4 or 5 orders that came in today, if I'm not mistaken. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And out of those 6, we have 2 of them. So one of them is out of stock. So we had to inform the buyer, which is valued at $4.60. And the other one had changed the item on Amazon. So we've gone ahead and refunded the buyer after speaking to them. They asked for a refund, so we sent it through, which was valued at $29.60. So now going back, the first order that we got was $3.60. The other one was $38.60. And the other order that we shipped was $27.60, and the last one was $20.60. Now, moving on to our performance tab, let's check our traffic and see how we've been performing. In the last 30 days, we had 5.2 million impressions. That has gotten us 6,894 listing views, followed by 74 quantity sold, so minus the 9 that came in the next day. So we are currently at 65 sales in total in the last 26 days ever since we started selling on eBay. And our click-through rate is kind of getting stable, 0.1% today, followed by sales conversion rate is getting stable at 1.1% in the last month. Moving on, let's check our impressions for today. We had very close to 400,000 listing impressions, followed by very close to 1,000, if not 1,000 listing views. And as I mentioned, we had 6 sales, 3 of them came from organic, and the other 3 came from promoted. 2 of them got refunded. 1 of them is about to be refunded because it's out of stock. We just have to communicate with the buyer and ask them if they want a refund. We have basically had 4 sales that are successfully transactioned. All right, that is it for today's video, guys. At this stage, what I want to do is recycle, prune and list more, prune and list more, get rid of the items that are about to end within the 10 to 15 days, and keep recycling, meaning listing more. So from there, we can find items that are selling and keeping up our momentum very high at all times. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow. Stay tuned and take care of yourself.